No, you don't need 20% down. Who told you that? You don't need 20% down to get a loan. 699 credit score? No problem. You can get a loan, no problem. Closing costs? Who told you they need closing costs? You may or may not need closing costs. Well, who told you that? Hey everyone, Regina Flores with Regina Flores Real Estate Group, back with another episode of Ramona Revealed. And today we're going to do something just a little bit different. We're going to talk about the 3 myths of getting a loan and if they're true or not. So let's go check it out. Hey everyone, so we are finally getting to sit down with the Monopoly Man. I want to introduce you to Rodrigo.
What's up everybody? Rodrigo Ballon, also known as the Monopoly Banker with Cross Country Mortgage. Regina, thank you so much for meeting me here on this beautiful day.
Sure, it's good to see you.
Thank you, nice to see you.
One of the things buyers always ask me is, do I have to have the 20% down? And that's a myth, isn't it?
It's a huge myth. And it's a great question because a lot of people do believe that they have to save all their hard-earned money to get 20% and buy a house, which is not realistic for the most people, you know. 99% of people actually buy with an FHA loan, 3.5%. A lot of people that are federal employees, state employees, government employees can buy with no money down. There's a lot of free money available by the state of California. So to answer your question, you can buy with 0% down, all the way to 20% down, numerous programs for all types of candidates.
Well, that's terrific. It just gives us more options.
Absolutely. Everybody deserves a loan. There's a loan out there for everybody.
So another common question that I'm asked is credit score. How important is credit score, and do you need a 700 credit score?
Now, Regina, that is an amazing question and a very important question because no, you don't need a 700, you don't need an 800. As a matter of fact, some loan programs don't even require credit scores. Ironic. But the best way to start, example, on an entry loan would be with a 580 credit score. Typically a government loan such as an FHA or a VA. Now, here we go. Let's say it's a spouse situation and one spouse has credit, one spouse has no credit. We can actually do a loan with one spouse with no credit and one spouse with credit as long as they have at least a 620 score. So if that maybe answers your question, You can do no credit. The minimum people like to see is at least a 580 on government loans. Conventional loans, they like to see at least a 600 to a 620 score, but you never need a 700. Now, the people, it's great to know. Now, the people that do have a 700 or above, they get rewarded per se by getting a lower interest rate.
Okay.
So
it's still good to have a higher credit score.
It's fantastic, but
you can work your way.
We can always help people. We can have, we can give them a free consultation and let them know where they're at, where they need to be. Awesome. That way they have an end goal.
Awesome, thank you. Okay, so one of the most important questions, and probably the last question I'm going to ask you today, do we need a down payment, and what about closing costs?
Great question. So besides the down payment, as I mentioned previously on our other sessions, yes, you can have a down payment, and no, you don't need a down payment. You can have 0% down, or you can have up to 20% down. You can do an FHA loan with 3.5% down, or you can do a VA loan with no money down. However, what you need to know is that most transactions take about 2.25 to 2.5 of the purchase price are going to be needed for closing costs. So let's just simplify it. $400,000 purchase, you're going to need about $8,000 to maybe $9,500 of closing costs.
We could also ask for the seller to pay for some of those if we're low on funds.
Genius. So one of the best ways for a client to truly come out of pocket with, let's say, nothing is what you just said.
Okay.
They have an amazing agent, do you know Regina, such as yourself, and then they negotiate for the seller to pay for the closing costs.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you
very much.
You're welcome.
It's been awesome talking to you today.
Likewise, you as well.
I'm just standing here. So thanks for watching today. This is the first, Thanks for watching. What, the first part again? What was the 3? Thanks for watching. I'll say that again. The first 2 things you said. Wait, just say the first one again. Thank you so much for watching today. Regina Flores Real Estate Group. Oh no. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. No. I have to say goodbye.
You want to say bye to them, right?
Oh. Yeah, you say bye? If you say, can I just say bye?
No, she can come up.
Do I have to say all that again, or I can just say goodbye?
Whenever she moves,
say it all again.
Thanks for watching Ramona Revealed. See you on the next episode.